Hi, this is Genevieve Goss for Arts Now. Today I'm going to explain our lesson connection with the book Electrical Wizard. So this book is amazing, and it talks about how Nikola Tesla started out his career and how he had all these amazing, scientifically wonderful ideas and never stopped believing in himself, and finally took all of those ideas to fruition, and they came true, and now we use his alternating current in our homes and businesses everywhere. What I'm going to have you do is refer to page 35 in the book. And you're going to look at the difference between alternating current and direct current. And then you're going to log in to this really awesome circuit building website, and you're going to kind of experiment with creating alternating current and direct current. Screen being shared with you. And you can see that I am at the Circuit Construction Kit website. So you can start with the intro and go that route, or just jump right into the lab. So if you click the lab tab, it opens up to this screen. And all of the things you can use are here on the side. If you choose to press this little arrow, it'll page down and give you even more options. And you can keep going. So they provide you with things that you can put into your circuit and see if electricity will still conduct. And I want you to have some fun experimenting with all the different things that you can add in. Oh my, a dog. That's pretty crazy. So there's lots of things here. And I want you to start with the first part of available options. So the wire, the battery, the light bulb, the resistor, and the switch. And when you refer to page 35 in your book, you'll see, like I said, the picture of the alternating and direct current. So if you look, you can see the direct current is hooked up directly to a battery with 2 wires and a light bulb. So I think we should try that. So I'm going to click here and drag a battery over and drop it. And then I'm going to take a wire, and as long as it touches where the battery end is, it will connect for you. And then I'm going to take another wire and connect it to this side. And the cool thing is you can drag your wire and really make it as long as you want to fit where you want it to go. I'm going to take this one, move it over, and then I'm going to take my light bulb and I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to connect my wire to it. And that's what happens. So a fire is not a good thing. And this is very interesting. You can switch it to conventional, and then you'll see how the arrows are traveling in one direction. So now let's clear this out, and you can click this button over here, and that's like a reset. And then let's try for our alternating current. So if we look at the photograph, we can see there's some sort of switch here, and then we have a light bulb and a wire. So let's see what happens when we build that. So I'll pull my switch out and put it here, and then I'll connect a wire here and a wire here. And I'm going to stretch this up. Now we need a power source, and within this picture you don't really see the battery, but it would be inside of this switch. So we do need to add a power source. So I'm going to add a battery. Let's just put it here, and we'll move it over, and then we'll attach our light bulb, and maybe we can add another wire there, oops, and there, and let's close our switch. We lit our light bulb. Now we're looking at the electrons as they move, but let's switch here. So now we can see the direction of the arrows. You can play around with a voltage meter here, and you can attach it to the battery and the wire like that, and see if you get a reading. Maybe if we put it on the battery, there we go. We have a 9 volt. And then you can start switching things out. So the cool thing is, I'm going to get my voltage meter out of here. And all you have to do is click on something to delete it. Actually, I'm just going to leave that. instead of deleting it. But what you can do is cut your wire. So if you click on the wire, right at the top, it'll say cut, and you can cut it, and it'll open it back up for you and allow you to add things in. So you could put a resistor in, you could put a fuse, you could put a coin and see if the electricity will still conduct. Any guesses? Like that. And it still works. Now, what if we delete the coin and put in a dollar bill? That's paper, right? So most likely, what do you think's gonna happen? Nothing, because paper does not conduct. So I want you to have some fun playing around with building different circuits. And when you're done here, the last part of the assignment is to make a drawing of a circuit or a machine that runs off of electricity of your own imagination. Maybe it does something for you that you don't enjoy doing, like making your bed or cooking your lunch or anything out of your imagination. So have fun with it. Thanks again. Bye.